Hello! You know how much I love makeup. I have a lot of makeup videos on my YouTube channel, and today I am back with another one. So guys, today I'm gonna do something completely different. I haven't done anything similar like this before. So as you can see from the title already, I'm gonna let AI choose today's makeup look. I'm very excited, so let's see how we're gonna do our makeup today. Okay, so here we have the chat. Okay, so in detail, help me create a makeup look today with step-by-step instructions. Okay, now I'm gonna give her some information about me. So I have long golden brown hair and middle part. I would say I have medium skin tone because I have a little bit of tan on. So we're gonna go with medium with hazel eyes. I am 24 years old and I want a makeup look to complement my features. And also I'm gonna give her some details about my outfit today because I think it will help with the whole makeup look. So my outfit today is white crop top, blue jeans and gold jewelry. Okay, so let's see what she recommends. Okay guys, so here we have everything she recommends. I'm very excited. So we're gonna start with number one. Okay, so step number one is prep your skin. Thank God. This is something that I always do and this is something that I always talk about. I always tell you guys to prepare your skin before you put any makeup on. So I'm very excited. So it says, start with a clean and moisturized face. Apply a primer to create a smooth base for your makeup to adhere to. Okay, so I've already washed my face and now I'm gonna go straight to the moisturizing cream. So next we have primer. So I don't usually use primer as a base before I do my makeup. I usually do my skincare routine and I go straight to the makeup. But of course today I will use primer. So I have this one right here. I haven't tried it before. I've heard some good things about this primer. So we're gonna use it today. It says Insta Pore Eraser. So I will take my ring finger and I will put it here on my pores. Ooh, it feels really nice. It's so smooth. I'm not gonna lie, my skin feels really smooth. I like it. I'm not a really big primer kind of girl, so I don't know if primers really work. I've noticed that even with my skincare routine, my makeup sits really nice. So yeah, I have no idea about primers. So step number two, it says foundation. Choose a foundation that matches your medium skin tone and apply it evenly all over your face. Blending it out towards your neck for a seamless finish. Okay guys, so far we're doing so good. I'm very happy. So here I have the foundation. My skin looks really nice and really smooth. I don't know if it's the primer, but I can tell that even primer gives something to the skin, especially here my pores are literally invisible. Who knows, maybe after this video I'm gonna be a primer kind of girl. Okay, so foundation is done. Let's see what we have next. Okay, so step number three, we have concealer. Okay, so we're going for concealer. It says cover any blemishes or dark circles. You definitely need to cover the dark circles under the eyes. Because guys, my sleeping schedule really sucks. I believe that it's a big curse if you are a night owl at night and an early bird in the morning. Because you don't want to sleep early at night, but at the same time you want to get super early, have a slow morning and everything. So that's why I have the dark circles. So I blended my concealer under my eyes and also said dab it into the areas that need some extra coverage. So I think that I will blend a little bit here around my nose and a little bit my smile lines. Okay, makeup is makeup-ing today. So number 4, eyebrows. Fill in your eyebrows using a brow pencil or powder that matches the shade of your hair. Follow the natural shape of your brows and fill in any sparse areas for a defined look. So this is exactly how I do my eyebrows in general. So I'm gonna use my brow pencil. I will take the spoolie and brush them upwards a little bit. Now with my pencil, I will follow the natural shape of my brows. Okay, so next we have number 5, eye makeup. So guys, we're not gonna use a brow gel. Okay, so I can see here that we have 5 steps. So we're gonna go step by step. Start by applying a neutral eyeshadow shade all over your eyelids as a base. So for my base, I'm gonna use this one. It has a very natural color. It's a liquid eyeshadow, so it's easier to control it. And I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and I'm gonna blend it all over the eye. Look how beautiful and how natural this shade looks. Then apply a golden brown eyeshadow on the outer corners of your eyes and blend it into the crease for definition. So guys, the closest to a golden brown eyeshadow is my bronzer. I'm sorry if I disappoint you, but this is all I have. Okay, it's not very goldeny, it's more like a browny kind of shade, but it's still working. Use a lighter shimmery gold eyeshadow on the inner corners of your eyes to brighten them up. Okay, we'll use this old palette and we're going on the inner corners of our eyes. Love it. Line your upper lash line with a brown or black eyeliner, keeping it thin for a subtle look. Okay, my relationship with eyeliner is really bad. Actually, we're divorced. There's no relationship. So for this step, I think I'm gonna have to cheat a little bit because I'm too bad with eyeliner. I will take my palette and I will use the dark brown color here, and that's how I will line my upper lash line. Otherwise, I will ruin the whole makeup, guys, trust me. And next we have curl your lashes and apply a coat of mascara to both your upper and lower lashes for volume and length. And now we're gonna move on with mascara. I don't usually do mascara on my bottom lashes, but for today's makeup we need to do it. So next we're gonna do blush. Choose a peachy or rosy blush and apply it to the apples of your cheeks, blending it upwards towards your temples for a natural flash of color. I think I will go with this one. It has this peachy shade. Very lightly I will start with the apples of the cheeks, and it says we're going upwards to the temples. Cute. So guys, I just realized that we haven't used bronzer yet. We're not gonna use bronzer. No. How can you do this to me? Like, if you don't know, bronzer is my #1 makeup product when I do my makeup. So number 7, we have highlighter. Apply a gold tone highlighter to the high points of your face, such as your cheekbones, brow bone, and the bridge of your nose for a luminous glow. Okay, so for this gold tone highlighter, I'm gonna use this illuminator. I don't know if you can see properly the colors of my makeup through the camera, because my makeup always looks so different through the camera and in my mirror. Number 8, we have lips. OPT for nude or peachy lipstick or lip gloss to complement the rest of your makeup look. Apply it evenly to your lips for a subtle pop of color. It doesn't say lip liner, so I won't use lip liner. I will go straight with this lip gloss. Guys, I have to admit that today's makeup look is a mini challenge for me. There's so many different things. I used primer for my base before my makeup. I didn't use bronzer. I didn't use a lip liner, and I don't know what else I'm gonna have to do before I finish this makeup. Okay, we made it to the end. We have the last step, number 9. Finishing touches. Set your makeup with a setting spray to ensure it lasts throughout the day, and double check your makeup in natural lighting to make sure everything looks seamless and well blended. Also, one more thing that I noticed, that we won't use powder at all. So guys, here we have the final result. So guys, I'm gonna love you and leave you. That was the video for today. It was such a nice experience, I'm not gonna lie. I really like my makeup, I think it looks really nice. Write me in the comments below if you like my makeup, and definitely give me some new video ideas, anything you would like to see. Subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. You can also follow me on other platforms. I will have them linked in the description box as always, and I will hopefully see you in the next video.